You going to the park?
I got panel.
Park now?
Yes.
Soon? Because it's a... Oh, what's the time now? To check the time first. That was your little sticker you got for breakfast, wasn't it?
It's breakfast.
Yes. The supermarket that we go to, they have all these little stickers you get every time you spend. I think you get one sticker for every $10 that you spend. It's supposed to be some kind of like earn and learn thing. And so we collect them.
Mommy!
Yeah.
It's Mommy!
What is it?
Sign it.
Oh, it's stuck.
Sign it.
Go get it. Yeah, so I used them this morning because Lemar hasn't been eating all his breakfast. And so I used the sticker to entice him to eat all his breakfast. And he ate it all. And so he earned a sticker, didn't you, Baba?
Yeah.
You're a good boy.
What's that,
Yeah, and now you want to stick it everywhere. Oh gosh. It's a really nice day outside, so I'm thinking we might go to the lagoon for a swim. But it's just that the clouds, there was no clouds about 10 minutes ago, and all of a sudden all these clouds have popped up, and it's a little bit windy, so I don't know. I hope it's going to be a good day, because I'd really like to take him to the lagoon again. I guess it looks alright. Oh, you can't even see it. Can you see there? Yeah, there you go. It looks alright. So yeah. So here we go. I'll probably take him after his nap, I think. So we're just going to settle down, and I like to have him watching a movie just before we go to, well, before he has his nap. Just to kind of wind him down a bit. Hey, we've already had a little play outside. Just a little one, about a 10-minute play. We watch which movie do you want to watch? Which movie do you want to watch?
Oh,
Brother Bear?
yeah.
Okay. I'm a bit over this movie, but he loves it. At least I'm not having to watch Madagascar. What's it called? Penguins of Madagascar, because he was wanting to watch that about 3 times a day. Hey? Oh, you got the sticker on your finger. Alright.
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 I got a bear hunt.
You gonna go on the bear hunt?
No.
You get the choice of exercise.
We're just having some lunch. Lamar's obsessed with his trains at the moment. He's carrying these everywhere he goes around the house, aren't you, Baba? So he's eating oranges still? Hey! He's been eating oranges every single day.
Mom, it's same.
Yeah.
Wait. Mercy. Oh.
His name is Luke, isn't it?
Look.
Luke. He's Thomas's friend.
Mercy. Sam
Luke. Yeah, that's right.
Look.
So I need to do a shop today because we've got no groceries at all. No food. So I'm just having a cup of soup because it's the only thing we've got left in the house. Unless I want a tuna and pasta, which we eat every day, and I don't want to do that anymore. Okay, so we're just going shopping, aren't we, Mama? Mama? We're going to do the groceries, and you got your Wiggles book. Wiggles book. Yeah, we're going to do the groceries now.
Mommy, eat it. Mommy.
Let me eat it.
Mommy, potato.
Is that a surprise egg, is it? Don't open it. Otherwise, Mummy will eat it.
And Mommy go.
In the river. Be careful.
I'm going to go this side.
Hey?
Yeah.
Are you cold? Is the water cold? Uh oh, it's going to get deep, Bubba. It's going to get deep. You don't have your swimmers on, Bubba.
Right here.
No, not down there. Not down there. Come here. If you want to go to those water things, we got to go up here. You want to go up the water things? A little. Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
To the water fountains?
Thank you.
You want to touch them, don't you? Woo! This far, look, let's go. Wow! Okay, unlock it. Whoa! Okay, it's spraying Mummy. Yeah. Be careful, little. Oh, are you getting yourself wet? You can't go down there, no. No, just stay here.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I want TV.
No, you're going to bed now.
Oh.
Yeah. Look at the whole family on the couch. Just coming up, watching the TV. The black TV.
Thank you.
Well, Lemar is going to go to bed, and Paul and I are going to stay up and watch the
David
Attenborough's new documentary that's coming up on TV in half an hour. So, and we're going to have some. I got some vanilla yogurt and some strawberries. We're gonna have that for dessert. So yeah, bye. Do you want to say goodnight? Say bye, guys. Look at the camera and say bye. See you later.
Look.
Show Mummy.
Kiss.